Hey guys, it's Lord Civic, and today we are going to be unboxing my new and first receiver ever, the Denon X3600H. This is the last piece that I need to be able to actually start putting my system together. Not all the speakers are here yet, but they will be soon, and I'm excited to get through this unboxing so I can finally turn these new clips, all these clip speakers that I've got on. But without further ado, let's hop right into the unboxing. So honestly, the first thing you notice before you even open up the box is the certifications on it. It has everything from Dolby Atmos, IMAX, DTS, DCS-X, DTS Virtual X, HDMI 2.3 HDCP support, Dolby Vision. Like, this thing has more certifications than most CIS majors that I know. Like, this thing is has everything. And that was it was really one of the reasons that pushed me to getting this receiver over, let's say, other different models that not only didn't support, let's say, Dolby Vision or also Dolby Atmos. Big reason for me building this whole set, as I said before in my vlog, was that I was looking forward to being able to utilize Dolby Atmos. So you might be saying at this point, Lord Civic, you could have just got the younger brother, the 2600H, got your Dolby Vision, got your Dolby Atmos, and you could have saved basically 50% of what you paid for a 3600H. And first, there's a couple of reasons why I went with the 3600H. First, the wattage is about 10 higher on the 3600H, but then again, that's kind of not that big of a difference. But the biggest change that I wanted with the 3600H was that the 2600H only allows 7-channel audio. Currently, right now, I already have 8 speakers coming in. That's going to be with my current setup. The 3600H allows me not only to use more than 8 speakers. First, that sticker thing is really nice. I'm excited to be able to put all of the stickers on my speakers and have them all labeled and stuff. That's going to make everything nice and tidy and clean. But as I was saying, the 3600H allows me to use 9-channel audio with only the receiver, and if I decide to upgrade in the future, I can get an amplifier and use up to 11-channel audio. The 2600H can only do 7-channel audio even if you add an amp. Additionally to the larger wattage found on the Denon 3600H compared to the 2600H, there's also a much larger power supply compared with 660 to 500, which is actually really impressive. And also, I believe the 3600H has support for, I think it's called IMAX Enhanced. I believe there's not a lot of content that can be found with that, but then again, it's just another certification on its belt that I guess when the technology becomes more used or not technology, the software becomes more utilized, this receiver will have support for it, and somewhat honestly kind of future proofing. So currently what I'm holding in my hand is basically a cardboard built up tripod that you can use when you're using the audio speaker calibration system. I believe it's called Odyssey Multi EQ XT32. Also, another and more impressive thing on the 3600H is I believe the 2600H only has the XT version of this auto speaker calibration. The 3600H has a 32 at the end, and I believe it's a little more advanced, so you get a more accurate sound that you would like compared to the 2600H. The packaging on this is absolutely beautiful, and literally the first thing that as soon as I took off the white on this is the smell just hit my face. And honestly, it smells like when you open up a car door, a brand new car door for the first time, and the leather and all the smell just hit your nose. Well, it doesn't smell like leather, but it just still smells absolutely gorgeous. You know it's new and pristine. Also, the top side of it is gorgeous. Me being a PC enthusiast, the first thing I wanted to do, honestly, was take this thing apart to see the internals. But I'm not going to do that because it's pre-built, and I'm guessing it's a little different than your average PC. But irregardless, it's still an amazing thing to be able to look at. So there you have it, the unboxing of the Denon X3600H. Early impressions, it smells nice, but in all seriousness, I haven't listened to it yet. So all this is just visual, or like, I was being dead serious. Like as soon as I took off the plastic, the white part of the plastic, it smells absolutely amazing. I'm excited to hook this all up. It was very expensive, but it should be really good when it powers all 7 of the clip speakers that I have currently right now, and I'm going to be getting a sub as well, so that will be 8 in all. I believe this can power 9 speakers, and then if I get an amp, it can actually do 11. But yeah, really excited to finally hop in. As I said, the world of audiophiles, I'm more so a Padawan of this, but I'm just super excited to just jump right into it. Again, make sure to like and subscribe to the video. I will in a couple of weeks be doing demos on movies, TV shows, not TV shows, but movies, video games, and music. Again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a good day.